You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this football club from Argentina, the way they say it in Argentina, so in Spanish, and how you can easily pronounce it in English as well. So, it's essentially pronounced in Argentina, River Plate. River Plate is how they say it in Argentina, and so essentially it's pronounced River Plate, just like a river and a plate. Club Atlético River Plate is how they pronounce it in English, in Spanish, sorry. So River Plate you can simply say in English, River Plate. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.